Good morning, welcome back for another vlog of myself, Darren, and Leanne, and Albie.
Say hi.
Hi. And for today, we're off to the truck show over at Haydock Racecourse. So if you did come here weekend, let me know. How was it and which day did you come? By the way, if I'm looking a little bit rough, it's because I'm feeling it. Late night, early morning. Definitely needed one of these today though. Little man's been looking forward to this all day, hasn't he?
Yes.
Non-stop rides. I think that's what he wants to go on mainly though. That is a nice one, isn't it? Nice chrome paintwork.
Wow.
Good, bad and the ugly. And this one's a little bit sentimental for you, isn't it?
Battle tasting.
Yeah, 'cause it's where we got engaged. Some of the older ones. Got Frank Sinatra there. We're seeing a lot more bull noses lately. Some nice Scanias. Got the Volvo FH. It's very nice artwork on it. I've got Royal Mail here as well. Made an appearance, some of the Scanias. That's a nice DAF, isn't it? I'm not a big fan of DAFs, but that's a nice one. I've got to be honest, if I did get one myself, matte grey is looking nice. I love the backs of these as well. Got all the rides for the kids as well. Got a little bit of an expedition going on later on. I think they got to put that little thing in the holes.
So you're gonna stay in, okay?
I think this little fella wants to be a bus driver, don't you? Hello, mate.
Hello.
Considering it was meant to be raining all weekend, it's bloody warm, isn't it?
Yeah.
Dead humid as well. Yeah, they're gonna be sick later on, aren't they? Bless him, he can't do the wheel on his own, so the guys had to get up to help him. Nice Mercedes. Got Scania there. Oh yeah, really like that colouring. That's real nice, Scania. I got a little bit sidetracked looking at the trucks and I've kind of lost the other two. It's definitely not a truck show without a monster truck. I know it's not exactly truck related, however, you've got to appreciate a nice car at the same time, haven't you? So Extreme VHP Motorsports. And then over here you got another one. Is that Volkswagen? It is, isn't it? Yeah. And you got the Evo over here as well, one of my favourites. Looking forward to going on. Yeah. We're next, aren't we? Yeah. Let's see, get a bit impatient. was worth it. That was so good. Little man absolutely loved it.
I don't like rides, but my dad got from at one point, and my chair wasn't like my seat that wasn't right. Like I was being buckarooed out of it. And
Oh yeah, it's flying around.
I was grabbing onto Al because he was like this.
When you come off of the ride as well, you get like sea legs, don't you?
Yeah, really bad.
Your legs are like jelly. Little man nearly fell over, bless him. Little girl, bless her, honestly, she sat right across the way from us, and I thought it was going to be like a scene from The Exorcist. She looked so pale, didn't she? Like she was
Yeah,
going,
but it's like when it
just
first
throw up.
started, he was dead smiling, and then so
Yeah.
it started, he was like, oh god.
It's like, whoa, sign myself up for.
Did you really like
It's one of B&M guys. There you got Iron Man. You've got the kids' entertainment on as well.
He's going to direct you over here. Yeah, I'm in key. So guys, you have got to do things what just makes you happy and fun. Like, just don't. Yeah, I just play the saxophone for fun. It's just something to do, innit? You.
I don't know about you, Leanne, but I'm partially deaf now. I'm a left ear. Standing too close to the speakers while Luby Lou's been on with the songs, screaming down the mic.
No, I don't think so.
Can't beat a bit of a John Deere tractor. Got some of the customised vans now as well. Bit of a DC theme on the go. Oh, Ken Block. Alright. That's a smart setup. Some more Scanias. 500S's. It's a nice Mercedes, isn't it? That's it, buddy.
Well done, mate. The boys are on the Dodgems. Whee! Just roll away. Where are you going? Everyone's driving really nicely here, actually. Ooh. Stop it! I think Darren's having more fun than Albert.
Yep, that's right, he's back on all the rides again, costing an absolute fortune again.
I don't care.
Oh yeah, it's cost me, it really has. I could put any money on it, in about 5 minutes she's going to be pure white trying to throw up. Smile! How are you feeling, Mum?
I can't do it. I cannot do it.
Let's see if he gets it in first time. I've never used one before, but I don't think it'll be as easy as what you might think. Oh. They're pretty cool, aren't they? Got the daft there going to town on the cleaning. It's a nice Volvo. I'm not too sure what film it might be from. We'll go have a bit of a competition with all the horns in a second. Some real nice artwork on this one. And the tip of the truck itself on the body. How big can Daddy have a bite of your ice cream? No. Can I have a little bite? It's a nice Renault. Don't see many of them here, to be fair. Ah, poor Lotso. Left on the front. Really nice blue, that. Really like it. And over here as well, we've got some nice detailed artwork. I think that's Diablo, one of the computer games. We've got Assassin's Creed. And we've got another one on the back of that one as well. A nice little collection. Some of the old classic Scanias there as well. E. Howard and Sons. Kind of feel like you're going through stages of time, aren't you? From the old classics to the newer ones. That's quite a cool trailer. Got a nice old Volvo F10 and the F7 range as well. I bet they've seen some mileage, haven't they? I think we're coming up towards the end of it, to be honest with you. There's not as many trucks as what there was the year before. That's one thing I've noticed, unless there's more tomorrow, because we did come on a Sunday last time. Nice little Game of Thrones, is it? Yeah, Game of Thrones just over here. I'll show you that one. Nice custom fifth wheel cover. On the bottom you got the dragon's egg. That is really good. Really like that. Absolutely love the exhaust as well, comes out the side. Then on the other side. It's a nice colour scheme. Just one or two more before we go. And that is us done for the day. It's passed in a good 3 or 4 hours, hasn't it? Playing about. Terrible twos. What's your thoughts then?
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah, I quite enjoyed it. Had a good time. The monster truck was great. Expensive, but great. Never been sick, especially the teacups.
Oh god, teacups.
Did you have a good time? Yeah.
Oh, I do like it. It's good that it's not busy.
Yeah, it wasn't too busy. That was a good thing. It was busy, but not over busy.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So like you can still get to stuff that you need to. You can see all the trucks nice and easy. So we managed to get around very quickly because it wasn't too busy really. So we kind of in our favour.
I feel like I've not really looked at the trucks properly because of him though.
True. Little man playing on his rides and that, wasn't you? Yeah. Spent an absolute fortune, haven't you? Yeah, really did.
Where are we going now?
It's all about memories though, isn't it? So it's alright.
What?
Going to Nanny's, aren't we? Yes, going Nanny's now. So for the rest of the day, we're going round the in-laws, go be jumping in the hot tub for little man is anyway. He loves it in there, so he's going to have a nice little swim. We'll go chill out, get a Mackey's for dinner. The next one we're going to be doing is the monster trucks over at Santa Pod, and I think it's the Nationals, is it?
Nationals.
Yeah, Monster Truck Nationals next month. So we'll be doing a vlog for that one when we go down. Should be a good event, really looking forward to it. Little man is absolutely going to be loving that as well.
Yeah.
And on that note, we're going to call it a day on the video. So thank you very much for watching. If you did enjoy it, don't hit that subscribe button. Right, Albie? Bye.
Bye everybody, bye truck show.
Bye bye.
Bye truck.